Today, we're continuing the series called Tapping for $1 billion. In the previous sessions, we've been clearing resistance to wealth, fear of success, responsibility, and self-doubt. Today, we're working on one of the deepest fears that comes up when people imagine extreme wealth, and that is the fear of losing $1 billion. A lot of people don't realize this, but sometimes it's not the fear of not having money that blocks them, it's the fear of having $1 billion and then losing it. Thoughts like, what if I lose it? What if it doesn't last? What if I mess it up? What if I can't keep $1 billion? Those thoughts can create subconscious resistance that stops that level of abundance from feeling safe. Today, we're going to release that fear and begin creating a sense of stability, trust, and calm around having and keeping $1 billion. Before we begin tapping, let's briefly go over what EFT tapping is and how it works. EFT stands for Emotional Freedom Techniques. It combines focused awareness with tapping on specific acupressure points on the body. These points are part of the body's meridian system used in acupuncture. When we focus on a belief or emotion while tapping, it helps calm the nervous system and reduce the emotional charge connected to that belief. Over time, this allows the brain to update old patterns and create a new relationship with that experience. We always begin tapping at the karate chop point on the side of the hand. Then we move through the sequence: eyebrow, side of the eye, under the nose, chin, collarbone, under the arm, and top of the head. Once we reach the top of the head, that completes one round. Then we begin again at the eyebrow point and cycle through again. You can tap on either side of the body because the meridians are symmetrical. You can use one hand or two hands like this. I personally prefer using two hands because I feel that I get more out of it, but use whatever feels comfortable. Now you can tap with 2 fingers or 3 fingers. It doesn't really matter. It's up to you. Now take a slow breath in through your nose. Exhale. Close your eyes and imagine having $1 billion available to you. Not just having it, but holding it, managing it, and keeping it. Imagine seeing that amount in your account, knowing it's yours. Notice what thoughts come up. Do you trust that it would stay? Or does part of you feel like it could disappear? Notice any fear, tension, or doubt that shows up. Ask yourself on a scale from 1 to 10, how safe does it feel to have and keep $1 billion? Just notice the number. Now take another slow breath in. Exhale. Now start tapping on the side of the hand and repeat after me. Even though part of me is afraid of losing $1 billion, I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Even though part of me believes $1 billion wouldn't last, I choose to respect myself and stay open. Even though I have, one more time, even though I have fear about losing $1 billion, I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. What if I lose $1 billion? What if it disappears? What if I mess it up? What if I can't keep $1 billion? All this fear of losing $1 billion. All this fear of instability. Part of me doesn't trust it would stay. So it resists having $1 billion. All this fear of losing $1 billion. All this doubt about keeping it. What if it goes away? What if I lose everything? All this fear inside me. All this uncertainty about money. Part of me feels safer without it because I don't trust $1 billion would stay. What if I could feel safe with $1 billion? What if I could trust myself? What if I can learn to manage $1 billion? What if I can grow into that level of wealth? Maybe I don't have to lose it. Maybe I can create stability. Maybe I can build consistency. Allowing $1 billion to feel safer. I am learning to trust myself. I am learning to grow. I am learning to manage wealth. I am learning to create stability. I can build something sustainable. I can keep what I create. I can grow over time. Allowing stability to increase. Maybe $1 billion can stay. Maybe it can grow. Maybe I can handle it. Maybe I can expand with it. Maybe I can trust myself. Maybe I can trust the process. Maybe I don't have to lose $1 billion. Allowing myself to feel safe with $1 billion. Now take a slow breath in. Exhale. Close your eyes again and imagine yourself holding $1 billion with calm and confidence. Imagine that money flowing in and staying. Imagine yourself making decisions that support stability and growth. See yourself trusting yourself more and more. Feel that sense of calm and certainty in your body. Now take one more breath in. Exhale. Before continuing your day, drink some water. Tapping in emotional energy work can shift your nervous system, and staying hydrated helps your body process those changes. And thank you for doing this work. By releasing the fear of losing $1 billion, you're allowing yourself to feel safe with that level of abundance. And when you feel safe with it, you open the door to building something stable, impactful, and beneficial, not just for you, but for the world around you. Thanks for being here.